Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your weekend love bite. Taurus, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So Taurus, this is a reading for the 2nd of October weekend, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. And let's see how you guys are doing this weekend. Before I do these cards, I'm going to take an angel blessing card to see what blessing or advice or message my angels want to give you. So the card I have for you, Taurus, is sweetness. That is so sweet. Yes, it is. But I'm going to take one more. Spirit, this is not advice. Come on. We know Taurians are sweet, but let's take one more. Safe travel. Oh my God. I just got this for Scorpio. I mean, this whole theme of, the universe and the angels taking care of us these days, it seems, because a lot of people are going through transitions from very difficult times to the next phase of their life. And this card, I mean, there's so many cards here. For this same card to come out twice, I just finished the Scorpio reading, in fact. So there's some theme going on. The angels are very much around us nowadays. There is a new world, new earth, I think, coming into fruition. And the angels are telling me to tell you, Taurus, that from this phase of your life, they're going to carry you safely across, to the next phase of your life. You don't have to worry about anything. Not only do they have your back, you are on their back, right? This angel is carrying this baby, which is represented, which is you, Taurus, and they're going to make sure that in this lake that this angel is walking in, they won't even let a little toe of yours get wet, right? That's how much love they have for you, and they find you to be adorable. So don't worry about anything. If you're going through any painful time in your life, Taurus, just leave it up to the angels and the spirit world. They are on the case. They are going to take you safely across to the next phase of your life. Okay? So you're not alone at all. That is a beautiful card. I'm going to keep it here. Thank you, angels. So now let's see, what are we going to do this weekend, Taurus? Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you, thank you. Your comments, take my heart away. Very sweet to me. Thank you so much for all your messages. I'm overwhelmed with all your love. And if you're new here, of course, if this is your first time, do join us, do join our Omkara family. We meet here monthly, weekly. And if you missed the October read, I will attach it at the end of the video. You can see that as well. And we welcome you in. So I have Taurus here for you, the Four of Pentacles. It's in reverse, which means you're letting go now. You're releasing, which is great. Also keeping yourself very protected, very guarded with the Nine of Wands. And if there was anyone in your life or you were juggling between two options, that is also coming to a close now. You no longer wanted to juggle anymore. There's a lot of healing going on, a lot of enlightenment going on, and there are choices to be made here. So let's see what this is all about, Taurus. Spirit, what's this Four of Coins? Yeah, letting go of all confusion. If you've been confused, Taurus, in the past about something, now you, I think, releasing that need to, always go back and forth in your mind and worry and stress out. And you are now releasing any kind of stress and tension from your life. Nine of Wands. First, let me ask, Spirit, what is this Seven of Cups in reverse? What are they releasing? Oh, you're making a choice to be happy, Taurus. You're making a choice to be happy and go towards your wish fulfillment. You don't want to be living in this confused state anymore. You're releasing all that. And Nine of Wands, Spirit. This is Nine of Wands. Nine of Wands. Yeah, if there was anyone who was, a troublemaker in your life, Taurus, if there was anyone who was rude, mean, harsh to you, you are keeping yourself now very, very protected and you're not allowing anyone in your space anymore, which is great. Pick yourself up and don't let anyone who can trouble you ever come into your energy zone. Yeah, you've been stuck for a very long time with this person, haven't you? Things just haven't moved because of this character in your life, and but now you've picked yourself up. Now, if you were thinking or going back and forth in your mind, you're going to just drop the ball now and decide. Two of Pentacles, Spirit. Two of Pentacles. There is a bit of fear of change yet, Taurus. I feel there's still a bit of fear of change. You haven't released it completely, but there is a lot of sadness here. Yeah, things have come to a stagnant halt. You are kind of now slowly getting out of this depression, sadness, but making a conscious effort now. There is a bit, it's not ended yet. There is a fear of change here. Okay, death in reverse is still kind of holding on to the last energy, last, you know, still not wanting to let it go, but you are trying very hard. I see here with the Two of Pentacles in reverse, you are trying to get over it and healing. So, Spirit, what's this Four of Swords? Four of Swords for Taurus now. Some communication. What is this communication about, Spirit? What is this communication about? Something that made you very angry, Taurus. Some news came to you which showed you that maybe you were going in the wrong direction, and it made you very upset and angry. And now you're healing from that. What's this Hanged Man, Spirit? Hanged Man. Why is Taurus in the Hanged Man situation? You've put an end, I think. You're healing, you're getting enlightened, you've put an end to this situation which concerned this King of Cups, I think, who was an emotionally very manipulative person in your life, maybe. And here you are making a choice. So, what's this choice, Spirit? What is this choice that Taurus is making now? You're making a choice, Taurus, that I think you're planning your future now. You're going back and forth in your mind, you're planning your future. You have not been satisfied in this relationship with this King of Cups, it seems. And I don't think you want to work towards it anymore. And this is a conscious choice being made around this time. But I will take now the three cards which I've kept for the weekend. Let's see. Seven of Wands, Three of Pentacles, and the Chariot. Yeah, you are guarding yourself now, Taurus. So this weekend I see you guarding yourself. You no longer want to work with anyone who is not going to be good for you. You want to be you want to take back charge of your life. I think you want to be victorious in your own life. Things I think have not worked out in this stability that you were looking for. Things have really not worked out. But now I see you moving ahead to your own victory. What's this Six of Wands, Spirit? Six of Wands. Six of Wands. Yeah, this relationship or this long-term potential of this partnership didn't work out, and now you're kind of seeing it from a higher perspective, right? This weekend you're taking stock of this. You are realizing that yes, this was not a stable place for me to be in. There is no working together with this person. So Taurus, I'm so proud of you. I think this weekend you're going to pick yourself up and move towards your own victory. Let's see, what is this victory all about, Spirit? Yeah, some secrets are going to be now revealed. So what is this Six of Wands and the Chariot in the weekend for Taurus, Spirit? I think I think Taurus, you've got the courage now. If somebody has made you feel like this in the past and is still in your energy zone or still trying to message you, you're not going to stand for crap anymore. You're upset, you're angry, and you're going to let people have it, I think, this weekend. You are not settling for anything less than the best. Still, I'll take one more card. Spirit, one more card, Spirit. What is this victory that Taurus is going for, and where are they going on the Chariot? Oh, you're going out to have fun. Okay? Okay, I know a lot of people are going to say the pubs are shut and the malls are shut. This is a sense of celebration, Taurus. This card means, when I say going out and having fun, I don't mean literally. I mean you are now going to now, you've made up your mind. You've made this choice for yourself, Taurus, that I am now going to pick myself up and I'm going to go for my own happiness. Even you can even have a Zoom party nowadays, I believe. You can talk to people, you can celebrate life, have a drink, cook yourself something nice, just be happy for yourself, right? And this is a conscious decision my Taurus is finally making, that I'm no longer going to be available for this mess which put me in the stuck place, right? And I'm going to now make a choice to go forward and be victorious in my own life and be happy. I'm so proud of you, Taurus. This weekend is going to be about you and your new life. That's all I have for you, Taurus. Safe travel from one phase of your life to another. God bless. Love and light. Namaste. I'll see you soon for your next reading, the love reading now. Let's hope something fabulous comes for you.